Hello students, let us continue exercise 14.2 to find selling price in case of profit using selling price equal to cost price plus profit. In case of loss using selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. In case of profit, to find cost price equal to selling price minus profit. In case of loss, cost price equal to selling price plus profit. Selling price plus profit. Now, in case of profit, to find selling price using selling price equal to cost price plus profit. In case of profit, to find cost price using cost price equal to selling price minus profit. Now, in case of loss, to find selling price, write as selling price equal to cost price minus loss. In case of loss, to find cost price equal to selling price plus loss. Now, using four formula in exercise 14.2. Example 1. Charlie earned a profit of rupees 275 by selling his goods costing him rupees 2300. Find the selling price of the goods. Now we write profit equal to rupees 275, cost price equal to rupees 2300, selling price of the goods equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price rupees 2300 and profit rupees 275. Now rupees 2300 plus rupees 275, we get rupees 2575. This is your selling price of goods. Now example second. A shopkeeper bought a table for rupees 375. A shopkeeper purchased a table for rupees 375. This is the cost price of the table. He sold it at a loss of rupees 25. He get loss rupees 25. Find the selling price of the table. Now cost of a table equal to rupees 375, given loss equal to rupees 25. Selling price of the table equal to CP minus loss. Now using formula CP minus loss. Cost price rupees 375 minus loss 25. 375 minus 25, we get rupees 350. This is your selling price of the table. Now next example 1. Based on cost price, Ronald sold a cricket bat for rupees 450 at a profit of rupees 50. Find the cost price of the bat. Selling price of cricket bat equal to rupees 450 and profit equal to rupees 50. Now find the cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Cost price of the bat equal to selling price minus profit. Selling price rupees 450, profit 50. 450 minus 50. 450 minus 50, we get rupees 400. This is the cost price of the bat, rupees 400. Now example second. A car was sold for rupees 1,45,750 at a loss of 15,325. What was the cost price of the car? Selling price of a car equal to rupees 1,45,750. Loss is equal to 15,325. Cost price of a car equal to selling price plus loss. This is the formula of cost price equal to selling price plus loss. So we write selling price plus loss. Selling price rupees 1,45,750 plus loss 15,325, and their addition we get rupees 1,61,075. Hence, cost price of a car equal to rupees 1,61,075. This is your required answer. Now do exercise 14.2 in your fair notebook. Thank you.